Hi guys, this is Shak from Shak's Hacks and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at the Yeedi VAC 2 Pro. The only difference with this version and the VAC 2 is the oscillating mopping, which does a great job, and in my opinion it's worth having as it gives a better mopping finish. It's equipped with a strong 3000 PA suction power, allowing it to suck up dirt from both carpet and hard floors. It has multiple intelligent sensors with 3D obstacle avoidance technology, so it easily dodges daily objects from chairs to kids' toys and shoes. It identifies your floor type and plans the cleaning method accordingly. When a carpet is detected, Yeedi VAC 2 Pro will steer away from your carpet in mopping mode and automatically increases suction power in vacuuming mode to get the best clean. Powered by smart visual mapping, Yeedi identifies your rooms to rebuild your home layout and plans an efficient cleaning path for the whole floor coverage without missing any spots. The app is well designed and it's advanced compared to other apps. It allows you to customize cleaning by setting vacuuming and water flow levels for different cleaning tasks, and it has a large selection of options to suit your needs. And for those who like to see what comes in the box, the following video is for you.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now.
Please scan the QR code on the robot to download the app and get started. Ready for network setup. Connected. Please go back to the app to continue the setup. Scan successful. Connecting to the app.
Alright, so I'm going to start up robovac. But first of all, I just want to remind you that I took the mop out and I need to put this plastic box just goes in instead of the mop. So I'm just going to set it in our living room. As you can see, there's a carpet, so I'm going to see how it reacts over the carpet as well as a hard floor. I haven't hoovered for a few days, so I'm interested to see how much dust it's going to pick up. So I'm going to set it at full speed first for about an hour, and I'm going to see how much it's going to collect.
Starting vacuuming.
I'm also interested to see how well it behaves around objects. As you can see, it slows down when it sees an obstacle, which is good, so it doesn't hit it hard. So far it hasn't hit anything. It also has sensors to detect the carpet. The sensor is so it actually goes full speed, and it also doesn't go on the carpet if it's mopping up, so the carpet doesn't get wet. I'm just going to put it to the test, so I'm going to put an object here. Say I'm going to put this football. No, it's going around it. So just be aware that it's still mapping the room as well. It doesn't have eyes, it only has sensors. Alright, so I sprinkled some rice on the floor, and I just want to see how well the robovac does. So let's start it up.
Resuming cleaning.
It's on speed setting number 3. So as you can see, wherever she's been, she's collected all of it. Wherever robovac has been, it collected all of it. I keep saying she because the previous robovac I had, I gave her a name Fifi, and it's a female name. That's it. That's the only reason. Right, so as you can see, where robovac has been, there is no rice. So it picked up every little grain of rice that it could find. So I've set it to turbo mode or turbo boost, and as you can hear, it's much louder. Obviously this is not recommended for hard floor, just for carpet. I'm also interested to see if it goes under the sofa. There's a small gap. Oh, it made it. Oh. The robovac has been cleaning for about an hour, so let's just have a look at the dustbin. It looks like totally full, as you can see. So I'm just going to empty that, and I'm going to get ready for mopping. Okay, so to empty it, you'll have to press this button here. That releases the cover. And that's how you empty it. Okay. Now that goes back here. And now I'm just going to get it ready for mopping, so bear with me a second. So for mopping, I'll have to remove this blank container, and I'm going to put the mop one, which has this at the bottom. So you've got a label here to say you put water in it, so I'm just going to pour some water in there. Okay, let's reinsert it here.
Switch to vacuum and mopping mode.
Okay, so that's ready for mopping. Right, so let's press the button and see what it does.
Start vacuuming and mopping. Please make sure there is sufficient water in the reservoir.
So as you can see, it's jiggling, or what it's called oscillating. So it's moving back and forth. And as I can see, I can see that she's been everywhere already. She hasn't missed the spot. And as you can see, the reflection of the light, you see the water there. This is actually working great. I just need a sign to say wet floor. So the room is not small, but it's not large, so I'm gonna guess it's gonna finish in a minute. Exactly in about 5 minutes. That didn't take long, so yeah, I'll come back when it's done. I will show you the result. RoboVac finished mopping this room, and let's just have a quick look. As you can see, the water is already starting to dry up, but as I can see, I don't know if you can see it from the reflection, it's been everywhere. It hasn't missed any spots. Obviously it would miss like close angles because it can't get to certain places, but it managed to get to this corner here. I'm happy with the job that this RoboVac has provided so far, so it looks like it's a keeper. Now to the verdict. My previous RoboVac was good, but the battery wasn't lasting long enough. It was only lasting for about an hour, but it was taking 6+ hours to recharge, which wasn't practical enough. With Yeedi, it went through 10 areas, 3 of them were carpeted with just 1 charge. That was roughly 2.5 hours, and it still had some juice left in it. It was also avoiding objects very well, and I was impressed how it slowed down near the items before turning around, instead of bumping into them, which what my previous robovac used to do. The dustbin is so easy to remove and empty, and it's large enough for one clean. The mopping was great, not perfect, but it was amazing to watch. You have to excuse me as I've never owned a mopping robovac, so it's exciting for me, and I can see it going viral soon, as it saves lots of time and hassle. Alright, we come to the end of the review. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!